Safety on the aircraft stand during refueling. On an aircraft stand, and all the more within the fueling safety zone, agents must be vigilant. A series of imprudent practices such as incorrect parking, even temporary, can have devastating effects in case of fire. Given that a fire can break out at any time around an aircraft, these actions are crucial. Between 2015 and 2017, more than 50 such events were reported in France. Fueling vehicles contain several tons of kerosene or are directly connected to a hydrant fueling system. Should a fire break out, their evacuation must be immediate to prevent a flashover. To avoid this situation, simply respect 3 rules. Never park in front of a fueling vehicle even for a short time. Never block access to the emergency fuel shutoff stations and fire extinguishers. Move away from the fueling safety zone when using a mobile phone or any other electronic device. Lay the ground for a safe flight.